Hey there, today is a fun little video. Last year, we connected with one of our favorite musicians and DJs, Equanimous, whose very musical journey was inspired by spirit science. It was around when we met that we put together the Spirit Science Episode 6 Flower of Life remake, which featured some of Equanimous's music. And along with this, he also put together a fun little abridged remix of that episode. Music is really healing, and if we listen to music with good vibes, we ourselves are uplifted tremendously. For this reason, alongside this video today, we want to invite everyone to come and check out our Spotify playlist called Feel Good Now, which is linked below in the description. It features a huge variety of amazing artists and tracks that are guaranteed to uplift your energy and quite literally inspire each to feel good now. Enjoy. Everything in the universe is geometric, whether it's people, trees, cats, planets, solar systems, stars, you name it. Literally everything in the universe can be measured on a geometric scale. Creation is also geometric. And what we're gonna look at today is the pattern of creation and see if we can't glimpse the source of all things. It's called the flower of life, and it's said to be the creation pattern of everything in existence. This pattern begins with the subtlest vibrations of consciousness far beyond anything our current technology can measure and extends through every possible frequency and into the physical material creation. The flower of life is a cyclical pattern, part of a greater whole, the wisdom of which is reflected in many traditions the world over. In this, we might find an intrinsic unity and use the flower of life to recognize that all belief systems are connected if we are only willing to look and see how. Now, to understand the flower of life, we must discuss how it's formed. Imagine consciousness or spirit floating in the void, which means it's nothingness and then consciousness, pure awareness. Sacred geometry started when spirit made its first projection into the void. The void is nothingness, and these forms created are also nothing. They're just imaginary lines made out of consciousness. In Hinduism, reality is actually called Maya, which means illusion. The pattern of the flower of life is a living one, not static. And so as you continue to develop it, the seed of life develops a tree of life, which produces a flower of life, and the fruit of life emerges therein. The tree of life is a very interesting concept known around the world by countless traditions, depicted sometimes as a tree, sometimes as a geometric structure, and sometimes as a collection of dimensions or worlds in which our physical reality is one of them. The tree of life is outside of any race or religion and may be considered one of the oldest belief systems on the planet, describing how all of life and creation are interconnected as branches or roots of a great tree. Metatron's cube is significant because it bears within it all 5 platonic solids, which are legendary shapes discovered by the Greek philosopher Plato several thousand years ago. The 5 platonic solids all have very specific characteristics by definition. First, all of its faces are the same size. Second, the edges are all about the same length. And third, it only has one interior angle between each face. When put inside of a sphere, all of the points will touch the edge of the sphere perfectly. These 5 shapes were considered by the ancient alchemists to have an elemental aspect to them as well. The tetrahedron was considered fire, the cube was earth, the octahedron was air, the icosahedron was water, and the dodecahedron was ether. The sphere itself was voidness. You see, throughout modern physics today, along with chemistry and biology, the sacred geometric patterns of creation are being rediscovered. Hopefully, this will help you to understand and witness the beautiful unity amongst all things. It doesn't matter what you believe, what religion you follow, or if you're strictly an atheist scientist. Bearing witness to the truth of this pattern of creation yields understanding that all things are connected by something greater than any of us can truly comprehend. Thanks for watching.